Welcome gang to another unboxing or opening, whatever you want to call it. Welcome to my channel. Something a bit different today. I've been looking at doing some on the go filming, so I was tossing up between a GoPro 7 and this little Hummer device here, so I've opted for the Hummer. This is the SR1 guys, which is the racing mode one, which actually, this has GPS and it can actually time you from 0 to 100 if you want to do that sort of thing. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. Adapted onto your motorbike, your push bike, your car, whatever you want. So let's unbox and see what she looks like. Pretty excited. Chuck a link in the description. These are from the US, you've probably heard of them. Quick rundown: it's a 1080p full HD, Wi-Fi and transmission, so you can transmit it to your mobile device. 5 times speed GPS update rate, which apparently makes it super accurate. Image stabilizer, 1.5 inch LCD, advanced WDR technology, stunning video in any light. Wow. 14 million pixel high-res super image sensor, G sensor, so she starts up when it feels a movement. Loop recording and obviously auto power on. So let's get inside it. A box in a box, another box in another box. Start with this box first. Accessory box. Okay. So we have a cap, we have a bag, cigarette, wires, mounts, connector, connector. Oh, SD card. Comes with a 32 gigapixel SD card. So down here we've got a guarantee of some sort. The app user guide. The Hummer user guide. Oh, gosh. Right, okay, many different limiters. Really good. So what's in these bags here then? Okay, so we've got a little rubber grommet thingy. We've got looks like, okay, so this is adapters for your mains power, and it's also fused, which is pretty handy. We'll have a look into that. So waterproof hardwire cable, so this is obviously to hardwire it to your vehicle. Many things to sort out here, haven't I? Screwdriver, some screws, mounting plate. It looks to be very much like a GoPro mount. Some 3M and 4 screws. I think we'll put all of those just there in this one. Okay. More adapters and joiners. This one looks like an extension lead by the look of it. So we'll get to those just in a second. I'll do this one. Okay. Your Allen key. That goes with the tools. And your mount, so you can mount it to anything you want using your Allen key to undo it. Like so. Mount there, that's pretty cool. Looks pretty handy. I think we can, does this undo? We'll pull off. No, that will come in handy though on the push bike and the motorbike. So alrighty, let's see what all these things here do, guys. So here's the camera itself. As you can see, it's a pretty decent unit. Feels pretty solid. Feels really well built. That's cool. If you're looking for some measurements, yeah, we're looking at about 10 centimeters in length, about 4 inches, and we're looking at about 5 centimeters wide, just over 2 inches, and 2.5 inches tall, or 6 centimeters. Hey, that's pretty cool. So obviously if you want to run it through your cigarette lighter, you plug this one here into here, but before I close that up I'll show you the SD card, which pops out quite well if you let it. So this is the DOD 16 gigabyte one that comes with the camera. So just in there, this plugs into here like so. The waterproof plug closes up and she's all ready to roll. Awesome. So the other end obviously goes into your power supply, cigarette lighter adapter into your power supply, so you've got a length if you wish. Obviously I imagine you can stick this into a power bank so it's more portable on the push bike, so I'll test that out. If you wish to hardwire it to your motorcycle or car, I suppose use this one. You plug him in here, it's got a nice rubber grommet washer there to stop the water from getting in, so it's pretty cool, pretty important, it's waterproof. And then you go ahead and do your hard wiring. Now obviously this gets used in conjunction with this here, so I'm going to have to look and see what they're expecting you to do with the fuses here. I don't want to do that wrong. Okay, I'm suspecting we do something like that into there. Not too sure why there's two of those, but we'll sort it out. Not to worry guys, that's pretty cool. Looks like a pretty decent unit. I'm keen to test it out. Okay, so to turn it on, push the on button. It does have an internal battery. Not too sure how long it lasts. I did have this running for about 2 minutes. So once you turn it on, you'll be presented with a little screen. So we'll go OK for English. Just scroll down to whatever country we're in. Sydney, Australia will do. Kilometres an hour. We push kilometres, and there we have it. So I don't know if you can see the little display there guys, but it gives you plenty of information, all of which I haven't understood yet, and as I said, not too much power. So okay, plenty of videos coming up with this little unit. I might even try to do some drive and live streams with it, see how we go. I'm not too sure how that's going to work. However, it's going to be great for capturing some video, so I'm going to take that out on my bike today. And I'm going to shoot some footage and see how it goes, so stay tuned. Alright, quick unboxing of the new DOD Hummer SR1 Action Cam. Awesome guys. Thumbs up, like, share, comment. All the usual. Thanks for dropping by, you guys are awesome. See you in the sky or on the road. Bye for now. Adios, amigos.